Question number second, find the dy by dx if x is equal to cosec square theta, y is equal to cot square theta at x is equal to pi by 6. Solution मध्ये given x is equal to cosec square theta, differentiate with respect to theta, x derivative dx divided by d theta. यांची किंमत 2 आहे आपली, 2 into cosec theta, derivative of cosec theta minus cosec theta into cot theta, that is equal to dx divided by d theta plus minus 2 into cosec into cosec theta into cot theta, cosec into cosec, that is cosec square theta into cot theta. से इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. एंड y काय दिले आपल्याला, that is cot square theta, differentiate with respect to theta, that is dy by d theta. n किती आहे आपला, n आहे आपला 3, that is 3 into cot 3 minus 1, that is 2 theta. आणि cot theta डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येतं, cot theta चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मायनस cosec square theta, that is dy by d theta plus minus 3 into cosec square theta into cot square theta. से इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड. We know that काय फॉर्म्युला आपला, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx divided by d theta, comma dx divided by d theta is not equal to 0. dy by d theta ची किंमत किती आलेली आपल्याकडे, -3 cosec square theta into cot square theta divided by dx divided by dx d theta ची किंमत -2 cosec square theta into cot theta. cosec square ला cosec square कैंसल, एक cot ला एक cot कैंसल, माइनस माइनस प्लस dy by dx is equal to 3 divided by 2 into cot theta. कुठल्या पॉइंटला विचारलेलं आपल्याला, at theta is equal to pi by 6, that is 3 by 2 into cot pi by 6 किती असतो आपला, cot pi by 6, that is 3 divided by 2 into root 3. Therefore dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 6 is equal to 3 root 3 divided by 2, which is the required solution. 2 नंबरचं एक्झाम्पल आहे, x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta, at theta is equal to pi by 3. सोल्यूशन मध्ये गिवन x is equal to a cos cube theta, differentiate with respect to theta, that is dx divided by d theta. a constant आहे, याची किंमत आपली 3 आहे, 3 into cos of 3 minus 1, it is cos square theta, cos चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह minus sin theta plus minus, that is minus 3a sin theta into cos square theta. हा कोण मिळाला आपल्याला, dx divided by d theta. याला इक्वेशन नंबर आपण फर्स्ट म्हणूया. and y is equal to a into sin cube theta, differentiate with respect to theta, y चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह dy by d theta, a constant, it is 3 into sin square theta, sin चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह cos theta, that is dy by d theta is equal to 3a sin square theta into cos theta. से इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड. we know that काय फॉर्म्युला आपला, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx divided by d theta, comma dx divided by d theta is not equal to 0. मग dy by d theta किती आले आपला 3a sin square theta into cos theta, dx divided by d theta minus 3a sin theta divided by cos square theta. 3a ला 3a cancel, एक sin like sin cancel, एक cos like cos cancel, that is sin theta divided by cos theta, that is minus sin upon cos minus tan theta. कुठल्या पॉइंटला विचारलेलं आपल्याला dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3, that is minus tan pi by 3. tan pi by 3 किती असतो आपला
tan pi by 3
that is minus tan pi by 3 असतो आपला √3, that is dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3 is equal to minus √3, which is the required solution. 3 numbers example, x is equal to t square plus t plus 1 comma y is equal to sin pi t divided by 2 plus cos of pi t divided by 2 at t is equal to 1. Solution मध्ये given x is equal to t square plus t plus 1, differentiate with respect to t, dx divided by dt, t square चा derivative 2t, t चा derivative 1, 1 चा derivative 0, that is dx divided by dt is equal to 2t plus 1. So equation number first, and y is equal to sin pi t divided by 2 plus cos of pi t divided by 2. Differentiate with respect to t, that is dy by dt. Sin चा derivative cos of pi t divided by 2 and pi t, that is pi divided by 2 plus sin चा derivative minus cos चा derivative काय येतं minus sin pi t divided by 2 into pi by 2, that is dy by dt is equal to pi by 2 into cos of pi t divided by 2 plus minus pi by 2 into sin of pi by 2 divided by 2. So equation number second. We know that काय फॉर्म्युला आपला dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx divided by dt, comma dx divided by dt is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. It is dy by dx is equal to dy by dt ची किंमत किती आली आपल्याकडे pi upon 2 cos of pi t divided by 2 minus pi upon 2 sin pi t divided by 2 4 divided by 2t plus 1. कुठल्या पॉइंटला विचारले त्यांनी dy by dx at t is equal to 1. हे आपण कशावर लिहिलेलं आहे फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2, इक्वेशन 1 आणि 2 वर लिहिलेलं आहे. दॅट इज पाय बाय 2 इंटू कॉस ऑफ टीच्या ठिकाणी 1 टाकायचं, दॅट इज पाय बाय 2 मायनस पाय बाय 2 साइन ऑफ पाय बाय 2 divided by 2 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 किती असतो आपला 0 minus pi by 2 into sin pi by 2 काय असतो 1, that is 2 plus 1, that is pi by 2 divided by काय आलं 3, that is pi by 2 into 3 dy by dx at t is equal to 1 is equal to pi divided by 3 into 2 6. which is the required
solution.